Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss about bonus share. So let's look at the meaning of bonus share. Bonus share are the additional share that a company gives to its existing shareholder on the basis of share owned by them. Bonus share are issued to the shareholder without any additional cost. It means that, as the name suggests, bonus share are the free share. Additional share means here also means free share the company issues to the existing shareholder. যিসকল shareholder company আছে already existing shareholder তেখেতসকলক কিছুমান free share company issue কৰে সেই free share টোৰ নামে হৈছে bonus share এটা এই bonus share to company কি proportionত issue কৰে that means on what basis the company issues the bonus share it is issued in direct proportion to their existing shareholding. Similar to the way right shares are issued in the proportion of the existing shareholder, if you have gone through the previous video I have discussed regarding right shares also, there also I have said direct proportion it is issued to their existing shareholder. For example, a company may give one bonus share for every 5 existing equity share held. Say for example, a shareholder is holding 5 equity share. Okay, so here it means that against that 5 equity share the shareholder will be given one bonus share. All right, these shares are issued out of accumulated free reserves of the company. Accumulated here means gathered. Company যি free reserve জমা হৈ থাকে সেই free reserve পৰা company bonus share issue কৰে. All right, in other words, these are companies' accumulated earning which are not distributed as dividend but are converted into free shares. Therefore, issue of bonus share are also called capitalization of profit or capitalization issue or scrip issue. It is what company kisuman accumulated reserve thakibo pare. You all must have known about plowing back of profit. Company nizor labhor eta onkho distribute nokorake থৈ দিব পাৰে normally company যিখিনি লাভ হয় তাৰে অংশ company কি কৰে they distribute their profits a part of their profit in the form of dividend but they may not distribute dividend and they may keep a part of their profit as accumulated reserve. ঠিক আছে গুটেইবিলাক they may not distribute all the amount গুটেইবিলাক distribute নকৰাকে এটা অংশ তেখেতসকলে reserve হিচাপে থৈ দিবলৈ পাৰে এতিয়া সেই reserveটো কোম্পানীয়ে কি কৰিব পাৰে সেই reserveৰ টকাই দি bonus share issue কৰিব that means they will issue share to the shareholder আৰু সেই shareৰ againstত shareholderৰে একো পইচা কোম্পানীক দিব নালাগে normally যেতিয়াই shareholderৰে share কিনে কোম্পানীৰ পৰা hey particular shareholder company share or amount to diboloi lage right kiman share capital jiman value hoy he value to company diboloi lage kintu jodi bonus share issue kore titia hey particular share or amount company shareholder e diboloi kuno provision nai. All right, that is why it is called capitalization of profit since it is an issue which is made out of the accumulated or jama hoy thaka profit. Right, he karne hey whole process to koi capitalization of profit or capitalization issue or scrip issue. So here's a note section 62e of the section 63 subsection 2 clause e of the Companies Act 2013 states that no company can issue fully paid up bonus share unless the partly paid up shares if any outstanding on the date of allotment are made fully paid up. তামানি এটা কি কৈছে কোম্পানী যেতিয়াই বোনাস ডিক্লেয়াৰ কৰিব দ্যাট মিন্স কোম্পানীয়ে নিজৰ accumulated reserveৰ এমাউণ্টটো ইউটিলাইজ কৰিম বুলি ভাবিছে আৰু সেই এমাউণ্টটো কোম্পানী কিহৰ কাৰণে ইউটিলাইজ কৰিব বোনাস শ্বেয়াৰ ইস্যু কৰিবৰ কাৰণে কোম্পানীয়ে ইউটিলাইজ কৰিম বুলি ভাবিছে এতিয়া যদি সেই পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ টাইমত কোম্পানীৰ যদি কিবা পাৰ্টলি পেড আপ শ্বেয়াৰ্স থাকে তেতিয়া কোম্পানীয়ে সেই পাৰ্টলি পেড আপ শ্বেয়াৰ্সৰ এমাউণ্টটো ফুল্লি পেড আপ নকৰাকে নতুন বোনাস শ্বেয়াৰ কোম্পানীয়ে ইস্যু কৰিবলৈ নোৱাৰে. হেভ ইউ গট দ্যাট পইণ্ট কোনটো সেকশনত লিখা আছে কোম্পানিজ এক্টৰ সেকশন 63 সাবসেকশন 2 ক্লজ 8 ই লিখা আছে এই কথাটো. I hope all of you have understood. So now let's look at the objective of the issue of bonus share. The bonus share to ki uddeshore issue kora hoy. So bonus share to issue kora hoy, point number 1, to expand the capital base of the company. Etia soa jodi company e nijor reserve to distribute kori dile hoy no, reserve mane jikhini toka company jama kori thoisile hetu jodi company distribute kori dile hoy, titia hole company e bonus share issue nokorile heten. আৰু যদি bonus share issue নকৰিলে হেতেন তেতিয়া হলে কোম্পানীৰ ক্যাপিটাল বেসটো নাবাঢ়িলে হেতেন share issue কৰা মানে কি বুজায় issuing share means increasing the capital of the company, isn't it? Whenever a company issues share, it is ultimately increasing its capital. So the issue of bonus share, it expands or it increases the capital base of the company. The next point, the issue of bonus share helps the company to retain the cash. See, as I have said earlier, so bonus share is issued out of accumulated reserves, right? Jodi he accumulated reserve to company dividend hisabe jodi distribute kori die, ticha ultimately company cash position to ki hobo? Cash position to weak hoi jabo. The company might not be able to retain mane hol thua rakha. The company might not be able to retain the cash, but if they are issuing shares instead, company cash position to ultimately intact hoise aru at the same time company capital to increase hoi goise. Next, to attract more trading in the company's share. So this will also increase, or this will also attract more trading in company's share or trading to bahibo, to reflect the actual capital employed by the company. The issue of bonus share would also indicate the actual amount of capital that has been utilized by the company. In other words, it will reflect the total amount of capital which has been utilized for acquisition of profit. Kiman capital company ব্যবহাৰ কৰিছে profit acquire কৰিবলৈ কাৰণে. This will also indicate. The next point, to add to the reputation or goodwill of the company, the issue of bonus share by a company indicated that the company is operating successfully and earning super profit. So when will a company issue bonus share? Company jodi position to jodi thik nohoy, company jodi profit jodi earn kora nai, ঠিক আছে, যদি কোম্পানিয়ে প্রফিট আর্ন নকৰে তেতিয়াহলে কোম্পানিৰ accumulated reserve নহব, কম হ'ব যদিও হয়. So if a company is issuing bonus share, it will also indicate that the company is in a very good successful position, right? So to add reputation or goodwill to the company, whenever a company issues bonus share, the public in general, they get the impression that, oh, the company is earning super profit, or the company is earning very much high profit, jar folot company bonus share issue koribo pora hoise. Say for example, যিকোনো এটা কোম্পানি বা যিকোনো এটা অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যন যেটা এমপ্লয়ক বোনাছ দিয়ে, তেতিয়া বাকীবিলাকে যেতিয়া সেই বোনাছৰ কথা গম পায়, চ' তেখেতসকলৰ মাইণ্ডত কি ইম্প্ৰেশ্যন পঢ়ে, এই কোম্পানীটো তাৰমানে ভাল, এই কোম্পানীটো তাৰমানে লাভ হৈ আছে, যাৰ কাৰণে নিজৰ এমপ্লয়ীক কোম্পানীয়ে বোনাছ দিব পৰাত সক্ষম হৈছে, ৰাইট? দিছ ইজ কুৱাইট চিমিলাৰ টু দেট কনচেপ্ট. I hope you all have understood the meaning and objective of bonus issue. In my next video, I shall be discussing the advantages and other things regarding bonus share. Thank you.